Hi YouTubers, it's George in the garage. Started work on my second cavity filter and spotted this a few weeks back in the hedge. This is a gold whip N20, is it nitrous oxide canister. I've chopped the top off with the angle grinder. I've put some slots in and I'm inserting these little screws. They're going to hold the cap on when I make it, and I'm just soldering these on, and it's quite a simple process. Cut the slot with the angle grinder and then put the screw in and solder it. But it's difficult for me to show me doing that because I haven't got a tripod suitable at the moment. This is the second cavity, resprayed. Just to give it a better finish, a lot more professional. I now got the centre bush drilled. This is where the copper tube goes down into, this bit. Got the two connectors. This has two connectors on this cavity. These are the shapes based on these drawings. And I've got to solder this bit onto that bit. And yes, coming on very nicely. So that's the wire things soldered up. That's one. Put it over there, and then that's the other one soldered up. That's over there, and there's two connectors. So that's in and out. So what I've got to do is to make the end cap for the cylinder itself. Well, that's them side by side. This one's a slightly longer canister than the other one, but it doesn't matter. Just means I might have to tailor the rod different, but they're looking very good. Just got to drill the holes for the BNCs now.